Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you two ways to turn off Samsung S23 series. You can turn off your phone by using the power button or without the power button. Change the press and hold setting to make it easier when you want to turn it off. Firstly, go to the settings. And then scroll down. Tap on Advanced Features. Go to Side key. Change it by tapping Power of menu. Now you can turn off your phone by pressing and holding the power button. This is the first way. And the second way, you don't need to press the power button to restart or turn off your phone. Just go to the control center and tap on the power icon here. So it looks like when you press the power button, then select power off or restart. Just it guys, I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.